Now, we are all very reliant on software packages like Microsoft Office Suite for our everyday needs, no matter the background we come from. However, once we have downloaded one or two, the price really can mount up. And before you know it, you have spent a fortune. Well, I might have a solution for that. This is SoftwareKeep. They are a Microsoft certified partner that sells only 100% genuine Microsoft software. They only offer retail keys with top-notch 24/7, 365 customer support. And the best thing about it all is SoftwareKeep saves the average consumer 25% compared to Microsoft prices. So with a whole range of options to choose from, you can really save yourself a fortune going through SoftwareKeep as opposed to relying on direct purchasing straight through Microsoft. And guess what? If you check in the description, you will actually find an extra 20% off code. This is going to be cheap. I'm a Mac user, and because I work from home, well, to be honest, I need all the possible Microsoft software possible. They really do help me out, so SoftwareKeep is a fantastic option to save so much money in the long run. Before, I was using direct Microsoft subscription-based packages, and before I knew it, I was spending a fortune over the years. And that really was only for the basics. So before showing you the software, it's worth noting that this platform offers a very secure and safe way of getting approved products. Their dedicated team help you every step of the way and even after your purchase. They're always there for support, which does give you some increased peace of mind. It really did for me. They also don't use robots in their service, so you do get that human touch. And thankfully you get a full service 360-degree software buying experience, and that is from the offset. From my experience, you are getting great customer service with certified Microsoft products, not to mention the best possible prices out there. What more could you ask for? And for that price, I can even get a whole ton of helpful content of how-to tips and tricks to help me get to know my software further via the online chat. You no longer have to wait hours for an email response. So what products are they actually offering? Well, quite a bit. SoftwareKeep provides a variety of users with enterprise licenses. Softwares like full Microsoft Office suites including Word, PowerPoint, Excel and more, along with Microsoft 365, Windows operating systems and even antivirus software. And this is available on both Mac and PC. Obviously, their best-selling products are Microsoft Office 2021 and popular operating systems like Windows 10 and Windows 11. And at their current asking prices, you can see why. So I decided to go for Microsoft Office Home and Business 2021 edition for Mac, and the purchase procedure was fantastic. I headed to the site, looked for a couple of minutes, and found what I needed. With an abundance of payment methods like PayPal, credit card, debit card, Klarna, and buy now, pay later options for USA buyers, I found the purchasing procedure pretty quick. The delivery time is around 15 minutes, and by then you should get your codes sent to you via email. Now, installing is done by going to the official redeeming part of the Microsoft website. Here we can sign in using our account details, and once signed in we will be given the option to redeem the code sent to us. Just simply copy and paste in your code, and that is it. Click next and then confirm the selection. You will be redirected to the office.com/my account page, and under services and subscriptions you will see the option to install your purchased product. And before you know it, you have your software at a fraction of the price. It is a really good feeling. Now, congratulations, you have a fully working software. All the suite's programs work exceptionally well, and they are legit, bug-free, and just all round fantastic. So compared to Microsoft, what really are the benefits of SoftwareKeep? Well, one is certainly that lifetime year-round protection on all purchases, whereas Microsoft only provides monthly or yearly subscriptions, having the cost mount up over the year. Secondly, SoftwareKeep never runs out. It is a one-time purchase lifetime product with a 30-day money-back guarantee if it's not for you, whereas Microsoft, on the other hand, has no refund policy. All in all, SoftwareKeep offers the average consumer Microsoft software for both Windows and Mac for a fraction of the asking price Microsoft are asking for. Being certified Microsoft products, you do have a bit of peace of mind. Also, you've got that 24/7 customer care, so you really do have peace of mind. As mentioned, you can also use the code in the description to get an extra 20% off the already cheap price. Just head to the website, find the product you want, and input the promo code in the designated part. With that said, be sure to check out SoftwareKeep in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.